Hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD problem. So, the question number is 1346. Check if n and its double exist. So, here we are given with an array of integers. We need to check if there exist two indices I and j, where I comma j are greater than or is equal to 0 and less than length of the array. Now, array of I is equal to 2 into array of j. Either we need to take an index I j where I nums of I into 2 is equal to nums of j, or nums of j into 2 is equal to nums of I. So we can approach to this problem with a simple nested loop by checking I is not equal to j and nums sorry, here array of I is equal to array of j into 2. So if this condition satisfies, we will be returning true, else we will be returning false. So the pseudocode is for I is equal to 0 to n, for j is equal to 0 to n, and if I is not equal to j, ampersand array of I is equal to array of j into 2. If this condition satisfies, we need to return true. After this nested loop ends, we will be returning false. Thank you.